Alright guys, I got the 26G here, John Deere, and I'm going to try to pick up this this 300D Miller welding machine here. I think this thing's about 800 pounds. I'm not sure if this Mini X will pick this up or not, but I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to try to move it inside my shop and get it out of the weather right here. It's got casters on it so it'll roll around on my new concrete in there. So we're going to give this a shot and see what happens here. Suck it in close to me. Close as I can get it, because I got to spin around. I got my blade on the ground, but it's in front of me. I'm picking over the back, but I'm going to spin around to the side here. Hopefully we don't turn over. I'll go pretty slow. Pick the blade up. Oh. Yeah, it's heavy. Lay that blade down just a little bit. Put this thing in low speed. Guys, I was a little worried about that with this smaller machine, but handled it quite well. I've got it boomed out there pretty far, and that's the tipping point right there when it started trying to tip. As you can tell, it's hanging out there pretty good. That's with the blade up and everything. See the track down here start to come off the ground. Set her down, and hopefully these wheels will still roll here. Been sitting in the dirt out there. Probably need to put a little oil on them, or at least blow the dirt off of them. Alright guys, we'll go ahead and set her down there. Alright guys, we got her over here up against the wall here where she's much happier than being outside in the elements. She can stay semi-warm in here. Anyway, thanks for watching you guys, and we'll see you next time.